factors increased my chance of a heart attack. I should have done something. Now I trust my heart to Lipitor.
When diet and exercise are not enough, adding Lipitor may help. Unlike some other cholesterol-lowering medications, Lipitor is FDA approved to reduce the risk of heart attack, stroke, and certain kinds of heart surgeries in patients with several common risk factors or heart disease. Lipitor has been extensively studied with over 16 years of research. Lipitor is not for everyone, including people with liver problems and women who are nursing, pregnant, or may become pregnant. You need simple blood tests to check for liver problems. Tell your doctor if you are taking other medications or if you have any muscle pain or weakness. This may be a sign of a rare but serious side effect.
I was caught off guard, but maybe you could learn from my story.
Have a heart-to-heart with your doctor about your risk and about Lipitor.
This murder was covering up the real story. It's the Crow, Ben Affleck, Rachel McAdams, behind Jason Bateman. In a murder mystery with a twist you'll never see coming. State of Play, rated PG-13.
What?
We've lowered the price of looking beautiful. We've lowered the price.
Am I trying what?
More often. We've lowered the price of more color. We've
Am I what?
lowered 1,000 prices on the leading
I'm trying, yeah. So hard.